If you're like most women, you love to run but hate the hassle of figuring out the best running watch for you. It can be tough to find a watch that both is stylish and functional, and if you are looking for a watch that will help you keep track of your progress during your runs, can be even harder. That's why I have put together top 5 running watch for women and help you find the perfect one for your needs. To know more, keep watching this video. Number 5. Coros Pace 2. The Coros Pace 2 is a lightweight and fast running watch that's perfect for women. It has a nylon band that's easy to wear and move around, and it only weighs 29 grams. Despite its ultra lightweight, it offers a 1.5x more powerful processor, 5x more RAM, and 4x more storage than the original Coros Pace. This running watch has a battery life that lasts for 30 hours in full GPS mode and 20 days when set to daily use. The Coros digital dial makes it easy to use your GPS watch. It also has an auto-detect function for body movement and heart rate monitoring. This running watch is perfect for women who are looking for a stylish and affordable way to stay motivated while they run. It has all the features you need, workout being too heavy or cumbersome. Get a rich mix of running, cycling, swimming, and gym workout profiles and multi-frequency positioning for more accurate GPS, as well as some highly useful navigation tools like point-to-point and back-to-start. Number 4. Garmin Forerunner 255S Music. Garmin hit the mark with this running watch with music. For ladies who want both beats and performance metrics on watch without dropping $500 or more, the Forerunner 255S Music is on point. The S in 255S stands for a smaller wrist size with a 1.1-inch diameter display with a 41x41x12.4 mm case size. If you prefer a larger screen, the Garmin Forerunner 255S is a 1.3-inch display with a 45.6x45.6x12.9 mm case. Additionally, you get a nice chunk of running metrics with a 255S, including VO2 max for run and trail run, race predictor, pace pro, recovery advisor, training status, and training load, plus new features like wristband running power, morning report, race widget, and HRV status. This Garmin watch stores up to 500 songs, which for many runners is more than sufficient. For health, factor in wrist-based heart rate, body battery energy monitor, plus OX, women's health, and advanced sleep monitoring. Number 3. Polar Vantage V2. The Polar Vantage V2 premium running watch for women help you track how hard you have pushed, how your body adapts, and how well you recover. The running performance test will let you track your progress and personalize your heart rate, speed, and power zone. Also, the Vantage V2 premium GPS watch supports over 130 million different sports with a lightweight, slim design, comfortable silicone band, and a color touch screen. The Vantage V2 looks and feels great on your wrist. Get weather control music for your wrist and conveniently receive smart notifications right on your watch face. Plus, get a lot more out of this watch, including 40 to 100 hours of continuous training battery life. Find out if your body is ready for marathon or triathlon training with recovery feedback right on your watch from Recovery Pro. The leg recovery tests tell you whether your legs are ready for high-intensity training in just a couple of minutes without any special equipment. Just your watch. Number 2. Garmin fēnix 7A. The Garmin fēnix 7's premium running watch for women has a rugged yet sophisticated design for the woman who is always on the go. Get on watch activity-specific profiles for the gym, running, cycling, swimming, golf, and outdoor recreation. Level up with training features such as GPS, speed and distance, interval training, advanced workouts, and downloadable training plans, heat and altitude acclimation, VO2 max for run and trail run, training status, training load, training effects, finish time, a virtual partner, course guidance, Garmin and Strava live segments, and much more. Extensive fēnix 7's battery life with up to 11 days in smartwatch mode, up to 38 days in battery saver watch mode, up to 37 hours in GPS, up to 7 hours in GPS plus music, up to 90 hours in max batteries GPS mode, and up to 26 days in expedition GPS activity. You can download Topo Active maps and use built-in Wi-Fi to do it. No computer necessary. Get a whole lot of health monitoring, including wristband-based heart rate. Number 1. Coros Apex Premium Multisport GPS Watch. The Apex Premium watch from Coros is known for its long battery life. In addition to a built-in GPS, this watch also has a built-in built-in barometer app. This watch will also track your sleep. What makes this smartwatch different from others is its 24-day battery life. It has a comfortable and modern design, and you would want to wear this watch everywhere. One interesting features of this watch is that it has an inbuilt electronic compass. The built-in barometer provides elevation changes. The watch also helps you understand if you are undertraining or overdoing it. This watch bagged the 2019 Runner's World Edition Choice Award. It has a ceramic bezel finish with a sapphire glass and a digital knob. In the Ultramax GPS mode, the battery lasts for about 80 hours. In the full GPS mode, the battery lasts for about 25 hours. Its nightly recharge features measures your recovery in the night and suggests if you must work out the following morning.